Hi everyone! Wala akong intro dahil lahat ng intro ay nasa YouTube na, but welcome to my channel. 2020 na and ang dami kong nakikitang shared post sa Facebook na we're once again in the 1920s, and because I'm a fan of 1920s when it comes to fashion and makeup, I decided to make a 1920s inspired makeup tutorial today. And if you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first, let's start with skincare. So we have Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So ito siya. I think this is like deluxe size. So start off with this one. Okay, then after we put on our base skincare, let's put on primer. So this is the Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. First time kong gumamit ng Smashbox kasi usually ang ginagamit ko is yung sa Quick FX No Shine mattifying something. Then I also use the Showwheel primer. So this is it. This is a sampler which is given to me by a friend. So, let's try it today. And pasensya na pala ha sa Tagalog ko kasi Bisaya talaga ako. So, let's go mga Bisaya. So, after we've put on our primer, let's put on foundation. So, last night, I've read some articles about the 1920s makeup, and I found out na based doon sa mga nabasa ko, usually matte lahat and wala masyadong glitter or no glitter at all, no gloss at all. So, I've decided to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 125 or Nude Beige. So this one is our foundation. So next we have our concealer. So this is the Decay Makeover Intense Cover Concealer in the shade Beige. So this is it. I love this concealer kasi it reminds me of the LA Girl concealer ba yun? Parang same sila ng packaging. And ano siya, good ang coverage niya. Unlike other concealers that I've tried. So usually my go-to concealers are this one and the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm using this sampler ng Beauty Blender just to tap on the concealer para ma-blend sa skin. As you can see, pero kung napapansin niyo or hindi, like, I think this is a great time to say this. I have 11 fingers. And for people who don't know about like this foundation, na-remember ko this one is called polydactyly. Kasi diba, it's better to be informed and educated. Polydactyly. So, polydactyly daw, according to our friend Google, is when a baby is born with an extra finger on the hand or an extra toe on the foot. So it usually happens on the pinky finger side of the hand or little toe side of the foot. So the cause of polydactyly is sporadic, meaning that the condition occurs without an apparent cause. Yun ko na nalaman ha, kasi usually, but usually, kasi before, ang nabasa ko kasi it's due to defect sa genetics or hereditary siya or something. So my parents don't have extra fingers, but I'm blessed to have one extra finger. So after that, I think okay naman tayo sa concealer. Sorry, boghang ng hair ko because of its experiences with colors and everything. Let's go now to the setting powder. So we have here RCMA, the original no color powder. Oh, char away. Let's bake. Bake. So, ayun talaga mga setting powder sa akin kasi sometimes parang I pour too much. So, masasayang sila kasi hindi mo nagagamit after. I also love Nishido loose powder. Then I found out like yesterday that may bronzing powder pala sila. So, wow! I'm so excited about that one. Nag-bake na tayo ng face. So, let's go with the kilay. As you can see, I have thick eyebrows. And usually 1920s makeup involves arched thin eyebrows. So, I don't know what to do with my kilay kasi lately ako lang yung nag-trim. And then, sinishave ko siya because ayoko munang ma-encounter yung sakit ng threading. So, I don't know how to like make this look like the 1920s kilay. Before, I did a vintage makeup look. Like, play lang. Ginawa ko is tinapalan ko siya ng concealer to make it look thinner. So, I think naman siguro na it would be a messy part of the vid to show you how I make my kilay. So, I'll just do my kilay and I'll be back. Okay, so now I think okay naman yung kilay ko. I'm sorry guys, but kasi ako nagkikilay talaga everyday. So, this is the best I can do for now. So, I will use the Morphe 350 palette. Kasi nag-research ako kung ano ba talaga Morphe 350 ba or Morphe 350, but according to the website, meron silang 35K, 35T, 350. So, we're gonna use the Morphe 350 for our eyes. So, let's start with the base. Guys, hindi rin ako knowledgeable masyado about brushes, so please don't judge me. To share a bit about my makeup journey, I just really started watching makeup vlogs last, I think it was 2015. The summer of 2015 kasi walang school and then I wanted to try something new. So, napadpad ako sa YouTube. The first international vlog that I watched was Tati's vlog. And then after that, Unclothes, Michelle B, Anakay, Purple Ares, who else? Sino po ba yung mga vloggers before? Oh, Careline Lights. So I'm going to use the Peripera Sugar Twinkle. I think this is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade number 6. So this was given to me by a lovely friend. Diba? I'm really blessed to have friends give me stuff. Thank you so much. Okay, so when it comes to eyeliners, hindi pa talaga ako expert. I admit that I don't even know how to draw a straight line sometimes. So, hindi talaga pantay yung eyeliner. Especially kapag ako nag-apply sa self ko. So, I'll fail the eyeliner part kapag confident ako, but now I'm gonna do it on cam. And then, okay, so we're back and I already finished my eyeliner. Oo, hindi siya pantay. I'm so sorry. Oh, so, yun. Please also recommend good eyeliners if you are using one, especially color brown, because I love brown eyeliners. So, I already removed the powder na ginamit ko pang bake. And then, let's now go to mascara. Now we're using the Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, and Better. For this look, I'm not going to use a contouring powder. Rather, I'm going to use a bronzing powder, the BYS Matte bronzing powder in the shade Matte Bronze. I'm not sure if meron pa bang ibang shade nito, but it's the one I'm gonna use. Okay, so now we're done with our bronzer. So now let's go with the blush. 1920s, ang napansin ko sa makeup trend ng 1920s is yung blush nila parang pabilog and usually mapula. Para kang sinampal ng 10 tao. In Bisaya, mura kagisag pa. So, I don't have like blush na color red kasi hindi ko mahilig sa red na blush. So, I'm gonna try and use this Sunnies Face in the shade Major, the Fluffmatte, as my blush. So, after our pang malakas ang blush, I don't think that in the 1920s they use highlighter. Parang wala naman siya nung mga unang panahon, but we will still use highlighter for this vlog. We have here a liquid highlighter, Laura Geller, tama ba? Laura Geller New York Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops in the shade Gilded Honey. I will set this one with same powder that I used, the RCMA No Color powder. So now that we're done with everything except for the lips, I have 3 lipsticks that I would like to use. Tatlo ba? Parang dalawa lang naman. Sorry guys ha, medyo messy ang aking stuff. Anyway, I have 2 lipsticks pala that I would like to use for my lips because usually the lip color of 1920s is color red. bold red, I think the cool toned red. So I'm gonna use two lipsticks. The first one that I'm gonna use is the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte in the shade Nature. So we can see kung ano lang yung effect niya. I'm gonna use muna lip pencil from Nichido in the shade, what shade is this? Coral Rust. This is what it looks like. So next, we're gonna try the Maybelline Powder Matte in the shade Rosewood Red. So this is a darker shade compared to the Sunnies Face. So apply muna tayo ng lip pencil. I'm using lip pencil from Reveal Her Expert Advice Lip Liner. Be yourself. Be realer. Realer or realer? Darker shade of red, and I think I like this better because I usually see this shade sa mga 1920s makeup photos and 1920s makeup inspired tutorials and photo shoots. So here's the final look. I hope na nagustuhan nyo, and I'm so sorry for my hair because I really don't know how to style my hair, and as you can see, I have epic bangs and my story ito, so I'll be uploading it in my January vlog before this month ends, and I hope that you liked it. And pasensya na hindi ako masyadong naka-prepare. I just wore this vintage dress and these earrings, but I promise I'll do better on my next vlog. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Kate, the makeup junkie, and I love to create my own magic, and I hope you would create your magic with me. So thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.